Hello guys, welcome back again to my YouTube channel. I know it's been a while I showed my face like this, but I decided to start showing myself so that I can actually relate to my audience on a personal level, because most people that watch my videos, they just see my hands but they don't know what I look like, so they have to go to my past videos to actually see me. But today I decided to show myself. Guys, hope you like this kind of video. If you do, please leave a comment on the comment section so that I can keep showing my face frequently. Today's video I'll be talking about bench scrapers, bench scrapers. I never knew people wanted this kind of videos, but um, I'm going to be showing you the kind of bench scrapers I use and the reason why I use them, and at what point I use them, and what kind of cakes I use them, what kind of decorations I use them for, and what point do I introduce them. Without further ado, let's start this video. I'm going to start with the cheapest of all. This is my number one bench scraper. Every baker, every new baker has this bench scraper somewhere or another. Maybe they don't use it every day, but you must just have this bench scraper. This bench scraper is very cheap. This is what it looks like, and when you're buying it, it's easy for you to find the ones that have rough edges. I ensure that it's straight, one, and it doesn't have, since it's plastic, it doesn't have any signs of rough edges. This is what it looks like. Super straight. Then the second one I'll be showing you is this one over here. This particular bench scraper gave me sleepless nights because there was a time I was having buttercream issues. I just believed that if I had this bench scraper, my journey or my problems would have been made easier. But the truth is, it's not about the bench scraper, it's about you and your buttercream. The bench scraper does its work. So that's what I'll tell you. When you get your buttercream and your technique right, your bench scraper does its work. So never ever blame it on the bench scraper. So this is the cheapest. I think I got this for 300. I think now it's 600 now, but I think I got it for 300, and I use it for my ready to go cakes, my buttercream ready to go cakes. I don't dip it into hot water. The thing is, my recipe, I don't require hot water, but if you are the person that dips your bench scraper into hot water before you smoothing, this is not for you, because it will bend, but later it will recover, but it can distort the shape or the straight line of your cake. This can absorb hot water very well, very well. So it's heavy compared to this one, and it has a grip. Some people use it this way and some use it this way, depending on what you're used to. Me, I use it this way because I believe it won't be straight like this. I don't know if you get me. So I use it this way. I use it this way to decorate. So it's steel, and it doesn't get rust. It doesn't get rust. There's no part of it that is rusted. So this is scraper number 2, and one of the important thing about this is that it gives you sharp edge below. Some bench scrapers are curvy, and the down part doesn't give you a very sharp edge at the down part. So that is why this one is very good. I would really recommend that you get it. The next one I want to show you is this one over here. I got this scraper, but I don't really use it. I'm not going to cast this scraper away because some people use it a lot, and it's also good. It has a grip where you can grip, where your hand doesn't have to touch the buttercream. So you just hold on to this part over here. Very sleek and good. But why I really don't like it, it's also steel. Why I don't like it is because of this down part. It's not sharp. It's sharp and it's not sharp. it's curvy at the down part. That's the only thing I don't like about it. But this is so many people's go-to scraper, and it does the job. It's straight, it's nice, it's not bad, and it doesn't rust. So that's number 3 scraper. My best scraper, this is an acrylic scraper. I don't know if you can see, it's a see-through, you can see through it. You can see my hand. Because it's see-through, you can know when you can see through the cake to know where you, especially when you are smoothing and it has passed through this side, you can see the part that is not actually doing well. You can see the part that is not smooth, so you can continue going. You can see through it. That's one advantage. Two, it has a sharp edge at the down part. That's why I like it, especially when you are going for that very sharp edge down, up and down cake. Then it's very straight. If you look at the bench scraper, this part is, it's not just boom, it's slant like this, so you tend to have a sharp, it's not, as you can you see the bend, it's bent like this. It helps you scrape off all the icing to this part, and you keep moving. And I use this for my Swiss meringue buttercream. Perfect, good, beautiful. Doesn't mean you can't use the rest for Swiss meringue buttercream. Doesn't mean you can't use all these ones for Swiss meringue buttercream, especially this one sef. You can use it very, very bad because the sharpness is not here for Swiss meringue buttercream. But this one is very perfect for Swiss meringue buttercream. So I like it. It's long. It's about that's where I introduced this. This scraper is about 10 inches. So depending on the height of your cake, this scraper is very tall. And you can also have the shorter one, but I prefer the taller one to the shorter one. Now for the baba of them all. One of the reasons why I bought this scraper is because, one, it has a ruler and it's in inches. At the other side, it also has a ruler and it's in centimeters. This particular ruler, it has this space over here. It has another attachment that helps you attach something that would come out this way. So it's when you are smoothing the cake, it will be smoothing the top part, but I don't use it. It's not efficient for me that way, because I don't know how people use that thing to be smoothing the top and it will be smoothing the side. But leave me, let me smoothing my side, then I'll go to the top and smoothing it again. So that is basically, it has a grip, a fanciful, beautiful grip, purple in color. Yeah, this is purple. Then you can just hold it like this and hold this part like this. Then you smoothen your cake. It's very tall. At least if your cake is up to 10, 11 inches tall, you can use this. Even if it's taller, then you can raise it a little. As long as the down part is now straight. But this is the height. This is the height. It's very tall. It's almost as long as my shoulder. Can you see that? This is 11 inches and this is it beside me. So these are my scrape. I have different kind of scrapers. The patterned ones, the ones that have different pattern. If you'd like to see that a video on those other type of scrapers that I have, please leave a comment at the comment section and I will do that for you. But these are my smooth scrapers, my straight scrapers, and I'm still going to get more, because trust me, I'm a scraper junkie. I still have a scraper at home that I use whenever I have an urgent order and I have to start the process at home before getting to my cake studio. So I don't have that here, but you see, these are my ready to go scrapers, and they help me for different kind of things. I use this for mostly whipped cream and buttercream. I use this for buttercream. I use this for Swiss meringue buttercream. I use this for any buttercream. So if you go to the market and you're looking to buy a scraper, after watching this video, by now you already know the one you want to buy. Please go ahead and buy. Thank you for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video and my other videos to come. Please don't forget to click the subscribe button below and the notification icon afterwards. Then give this video a like and leave me a comment below. You know I always respond to your comments. Thank you for watching and tell me which of these scraper you like best. Thank you for watching. Bye bye.